Hi everyone. Today in this video, I will show you how to export from AutoCAD and import your projects into Blender in the fastest and easiest way. In this video, I will show you how to import in Blender 2D drawings composed of curves and lines like this one. And then I will show you how to import 3D models made on AutoCAD. Let's start by importing a 2D drawing. My version of AutoCAD is in Italian, but I hope that's not a problem. First, we need to save the file with a name. And we need to save the file in DXF format. This is very important. Now let's go to Blender. We go to File, then Import. And here we need to find the DXF entry. In this case, it isn't there. This is normal, because Blender doesn't have this setting by default. So to solve this, we go to Edit, then Preferences. Here we go to Get Extensions and search for DXF and install the add-on we need. Please remember that once you have installed the add-on, click Save Preferences at the bottom left. Now we go to File, then Import and press DXF. Let's import our file that we saved before in AutoCAD in DXF version. Here on the right, you can see all the import settings that you can change according to your needs. Here's how you see now. Here we have all our lines and curves. If you want to modify them, select everything right. Click and convert to mesh, like I'm doing. Now let's go and I'll show you how to export a 3D model from AutoCAD to Blender. First, click on the AutoCAD icon in the top left. Here we need to export our model. Then click Export Other Models, and then choose the STL format. Select the object or objects you want to export and press Enter. Now let's go back to Blender. Here we go to File, then Import, and choose STL File. And we import our file that we exported a little while ago to AutoCAD. Here's how you can see the model has been imported correctly. However, I recommend you import 3D models, not in STL format, but in OBJ or FBX, which, however, requires the use of another software, such as 3ds Max or Rhino. But don't worry, I'll make a video on those too. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and follow me, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments or join my Telegram group using the link in the description.